Some people are shocked to learn that one of the compounds found in castor beans is considered extremely dangerous. In its pure form, it is estimated to be around 6,000 times more toxic than cyanide and roughly 12,000 times more poisonous than rattlesnake venom. Fortunately, properly processed castor oil does not contain this harmful toxin, allowing you to enjoy its impressive health and beauty benefits safely. Welcome to the Weird Lab. Let's explore why castor oil has become such a popular natural remedy for healthy skin and hair. If your goal is soft, glowing, smooth, and youthful looking skin, castor oil is definitely worth considering. Whether you're dealing with tiny expression lines, deeper wrinkles, rough patches, or skin that constantly feels dry, this natural oil can make a noticeable difference. One of the main reasons it works so well is because it contains a unique fatty acid called ricinoleic acid. This compound acts as a powerful moisturizer that penetrates deeply into the skin while helping lock in moisture. Instead of allowing hydration to escape, it keeps the skin nourished for longer. That's why many people massage a small amount onto their face before bed. When they wake up the next morning, they often notice their skin looks fresher, softer, and far more hydrated than it did the night before. The benefits aren't limited to your face. Castor oil can also do wonders for your hair and scalp. Later, we'll discuss the best way to apply it. But if your hair feels brittle, has split ends, or has become dry from heat styling or environmental damage, regular use may help restore its softness and shine in a surprisingly short amount of time. Another reason castor oil stands out is its natural anti-inflammatory properties. If your skin is irritated, red, or swollen, applying a small amount may help calm the area and reduce discomfort while supporting the skin's natural healing process. Castor oil also has antimicrobial properties that can benefit the skin. Your skin is covered with billions of helpful microorganisms that form a protective barrier against harmful invaders. Problems begin when certain bacteria, yeast, or fungi grow out of balance. Because castor oil has natural antimicrobial activity, it may help support a healthier skin environment and reduce some of the issues associated with these unwanted microbes. This is especially important for acne, since bacteria play a role in many breakouts. While castor oil isn't a miracle cure, its soothing and antimicrobial effects may help improve the appearance of acne-prone skin when used as part of a proper skincare routine. Another valuable nutrient found in castor oil is vitamin E. This well-known antioxidant helps protect skin cells from damage caused by everyday exposure to ultraviolet rays and environmental pollutants. Supporting your skin with antioxidants can help it stay healthier and maintain a more youthful appearance over time. Castor oil has also been traditionally used to support the healing of minor wounds. At the same time, many people use it to gradually reduce the appearance of dark spots and uneven pigmentation, helping create a smoother, more balanced complexion. In addition, castor oil contains beta-carotene, which the body can convert into vitamin A. This nutrient plays an important role in maintaining healthy skin by supporting normal cell growth and repair. You'll also find beneficial minerals such as magnesium and potassium, both of which contribute to healthy skin function. Some research even suggests that castor oil may encourage collagen production. Collagen is one of the most important proteins responsible for keeping skin firm, smooth, and youthful. As collagen naturally declines with age, fine lines and sagging become more noticeable. Supporting healthy collagen levels can help slow many of these visible signs of aging. Because of these properties, castor oil is often recommended for scars as well. Whether the marks come from previous acne, stretch marks around the abdomen, or other types of scarring elsewhere on the body, applying castor oil consistently over time may help improve their appearance while keeping the surrounding skin soft, hydrated, and healthy. If you're using castor oil to improve the appearance of scars, place a few drops directly onto the area and gently massage it for about 30 seconds. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties are surprisingly strong, with some research suggesting they may provide effects similar to certain over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications like ibuprofen. When it comes to applying castor oil, there isn't just one right method. Some people prefer to dilute it with lighter oils, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or other plant-based carrier oils. Others choose to use it straight from the bottle. The reason many people dilute it is because castor oil has a naturally thick, heavy texture that can feel slightly sticky on the skin. For facial use, simply place a few drops on your fingertips and gently massage them into areas that need extra care. Focus on dry patches, fine lines, wrinkles, redness, or irritated skin. If certain spots are especially dry or damaged, you can apply a little more product to those areas. The best part is that you only need a tiny amount to get started. Just a few drops each day is enough, making it an affordable addition to your skincare routine. One bottle can last a long time while providing consistent benefits. Applying castor oil before going to bed is usually the most effective approach. As you sleep, the oil has several hours to absorb deeply into the skin, allowing you to wake up with skin that feels softer, smoother, and better hydrated. There is one important precaution, though. If you're pregnant and not yet ready for labor, avoid applying castor oil around your abdomen or pelvic region, as it has traditionally been associated with stimulating uterine activity. Another popular use for castor oil is as a natural makeup remover. Many people mix a small amount with their favorite cleanser or lotion to help dissolve makeup while also moisturizing the skin, giving them the cleansing benefits along with the nourishing properties of the oil. For hair care, castor oil can be especially helpful when applied directly to the scalp. If you're experiencing thinning hair or certain forms of hair loss, including alopecia, massage the oil firmly into the scalp so it reaches the roots. Spending a few minutes working it into the skin may help create a healthier environment for hair growth. After treating the scalp, place a few more drops on your fingertips and smooth the oil through the lengths of your hair, paying extra attention to dry ends. Applying it before bedtime allows the hair to absorb moisture overnight, and by morning it often feels softer, shinier, and much better hydrated. When choosing a castor oil, quality matters. It's worth spending a little more on a product that is cold-pressed, organic, and free from chemical solvents such as hexane. Cold-pressed processing helps preserve more of the oil's natural nutrients, while avoiding solvent extraction reduces exposure to unwanted chemical residues. Hexane is commonly used during the manufacturing of many refined seed oils, including soybean, canola, cottonseed, and corn oil. Choosing a castor oil that is produced without this solvent is generally considered the better option for those looking for a cleaner, more natural product. Many people also prefer Jamaican black castor oil. It has earned a strong reputation for its unique properties, and many users believe it offers even greater benefits for both hair and skin compared to traditional castor oil, making it a popular choice for natural beauty routines. Castor oil isn't just popular for skin and hair, it has also become a favorite natural remedy for supporting healthier-looking eyelashes. In many parts of the world, people regularly apply a tiny amount along the base of their lashes each day in hopes of encouraging them to appear fuller, stronger, and longer over time. Consistency is key, and with regular use, many people notice gradual improvements. Now, you may still be wondering about the toxic substance associated with castor beans. Thankfully, this isn't something you need to worry about when using properly manufactured castor oil. During the production process, the dangerous toxin is removed, and reputable manufacturers carefully test their products to ensure the finished oil is safe for cosmetic and personal care use. The toxin itself is extremely dangerous if someone is exposed to it in its purified form. Unfortunately, there isn't a simple antidote available. Anyone who comes into contact with it requires immediate medical attention, as even relatively small amounts can become life-threatening within a matter of days. Fortunately, this has nothing to do with the castor oil you purchase for skincare or hair care, since the harmful compound is eliminated during processing. It's truly fascinating that a plant capable of producing one of nature's most toxic substances can also provide an oil with so many valuable uses for the skin, hair, and overall beauty routine. Nature is full of surprising contrasts, and castor oil is one of the best examples of that balance between danger and benefit. Thanks for watching The Weird Lab. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural ways to support healthy skin, be sure to check out our next video, where we explore one of the most common nutrient deficiencies linked to dermatitis and many other skin conditions. You might discover something that could completely change the way you care for your skin.